Once you're into Blackboard, it will look something like this. And notice over here on the right side, we have My Courses. If you've customized it, you know enough about it to be able to navigate around. But look for My Courses. Here I have courses you are teaching. Yours will say courses you're taking. And then we'll see, the first one on my list is 2013 Fall Term History of Philosophy, the Classical Philosophers, Philosophy 7100, Section 12, course number 3702, Kingsborough. This is our course. So click on that and we will go into the course and we will end up with something that looks like this. Maybe a little bit different. That is over on the left side. You may have more options by the time you're viewing this, but this is the way it looks to you. It looks a little bit different for me, and let me just change to the way it looks for me just so you'll see all the options, because eventually you will have all of the options that are now here. Home page, announcements, information, assignments. Right now that might not be appearing unless I put something in there. Tests and quizzes, that little box means there's nothing in there yet. Lecture notes, haven't put any lecture notes in there yet. Content is where you will find your videos. Nothing in there right now. Readings, if there are readings in addition to the textbook, you will find them in that section. Discussions, we will be using, that's where we put up discussion boards. It'll be critical. Didn't mean to hit that, but there are none right now. We will have them. Groups I usually use. Tools, very important one for you. Tools is the place where you will find your grades. Let me scroll down a little bit. And help, which will get you help. The last one, lecture slides, you will never see. I will give you the notes. I always give my students the notes. I post the notes as PDF files in the lecture notes. I don't give you the original slides. It just overly complicates things. So let's go back to the home page and let me just explain a little bit more about what's in there. And let me go back to the view the way you see it, so you don't have, this is the way to look. But notice we have announcements. The home page has the announcements on it, but on the if we go to the announcement page, they would have all of the announcements. Not only haven't I had any in the last 7 days, I haven't had any. But information is the important one at this point, because in information you're going to find 3 documents. You're going to find the syllabus, the schedule, which is the tentative course schedule, and the ground rules. Those are 3 things that you ought to take a look at. And I want to spend a little bit of time now looking at the syllabus. But now you've seen where things are in Blackboard, and let me now turn to taking a look at the syllabus and the schedule, etc.